quartile. Okay, so quartile q1, first quartile, first quartile, quartile, first quartile, q2, second quartile, q3, third quartile. Okay, so first, second, third are there, three quartile. This one is called median. Median means n plus 1 by 2th term for individual and discrete series, for individual and discrete series. So this one is not necessary. You have to find the first q1 and q3. Q1 is actually known as n plus 1 by 4th term for individual and discrete. Okay, discrete. So this one is the n plus 1 by 4th term for q1, and similarly it work for 3 into n plus 1 by 4th term. This one also for individual and discrete. So if there is a collection of just used by a comma, like x1 comma x2 comma x3, like this, to xn, then this is called individual series, and this work for the same formula for there. Similarly you can go for the continuous discrete series, and in discrete form you have to use like x and f, where x is work blockwise and f, x1 be f1, x2 be f2, similarly up to xn and fn, and it's also calculated by using n plus 1 by 4th term and n plus 1 by 4th into multiplied by 3. Okay, so first q1 and q3 are worked for the similar basis, and if there is a quartile deviation, then quartile deviation work for q3 minus q1. So q3 minus q1 by 2 be the quartile deviation, and semi quartile be q3 minus q1. So here we are working for only quartile and just a quartile for continuous series also. So for continuous series, the data will be spread out in continuous form, in interval form. So class interval are there, and the frequency are there, in which the continuous series x1 to x2, and like f1, similarly x2 to x3, like this one becomes f2. Similarly it goes, and for this q1 becomes n by 4th class only, th class. This one is the quartile class. This is called quartile, quartile class for q1. Okay, so this one is the quartile class, and then q1 work for l plus n by 4 minus cf by f into q3. Similarly q3 is equal to 3 into n by 4th term. This one become a q3 class, and it runs for q3. This one is class, and then after finding the class, l plus n by 4 into multiplied by 3 minus cf by f into I. Okay, so decile, decile, and decile you can find d1 to d9 for decile. So d1 to d9 means d1 means generally used by n, and it work for n into n plus 1 by 10, where n run, where small n run 1 to 9. Okay, so this one is work for the individual and discrete. Okay, for individual and discrete. The same formula working. And for continuous dn is equal to, first you have to find the class, decile class, and it work for n into n plus n by 10, n by 10 th term, here also th term, okay. th term. And after finding the class, you have to go for the last dn, the decile number, l plus n by 10 minus cf by f into I, where this is work for n, and n always work for 1 to 9. This is the small n, work for 1 to n 9, and the l, cf, f and I are the similar than the median. F the belonging class frequency, I the size of the class interval, L the lower term or lower class of the given class, a belonging class, CF means the previous
number,
previous CF cumulative frequency, the, from the belonging class. So this one are the formula to get the decile, okay. Similarly you can go for percentile in for individual and discrete. You have to choose p, okay, p1 to p99, okay, p1 to p99, where n, where suppose n is equal to 1 to 99, okay. So for percentile many question be arises. First one, suppose for it ask for the individual and discrete series, then the rule becomes for finding the percentile, small n and capital N plus 1 by 100, because the data separated, divided into 100 parts, that's why. So th term, okay, where n work for 1 to 100, okay, 1 to 100. So this is the for individual and discrete series, 1 to 99, sorry, 1 to 99. And for continuous series, pn class, first you have to find the class, and then for n, small n, into n by 100, okay, th term, where n run for 1 to 99, small n run for 1 to 99, and n by 100th term be the percentile class. And after the percentile class you can get for l plus n by 4, n small n into n by 100 minus cf by f into I. This one be the percentile last equation, and you can calculate